Hello friends, welcome back to Vocab Builder. Our today's word is assume. Assume means to accept something as true without having proof or to take responsibility or control of something. We often use assume when we believe something is true without checking the facts. For example, if your friend doesn't reply to your message and you assume they're ignoring you, you might be wrong. It could be their phone battery died. It can also mean taking on a role or responsibility. He assumed control of the company. Synonyms: suppose, presume, believe, accept. Antonyms: doubt, verify, deny, reject. Let's see some examples. Don't assume she's angry just because she's quiet. We should never assume anything without evidence. He assumed full responsibility for the project. And that's today's word, assume. A word you'll hear often in everyday English and professional settings. Now it's your turn. Write your own sentence using assume in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Vocab Builder for more vocabulary that makes your English powerful and clear. Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next one.